Think waxing gives you perfect skin? Think again. These 5 common mistakes are secretly damaging your skin. But don't worry, I'll show you how to avoid each one. Let's get right into it. Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to channel for smarter skincare and self-care. Whether you're waxing at home or in a salon, this video could save your skin, literally. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that most people totally miss. Mistake number 1, skipping the prep. Waxing on dirty or dry skin leads to poor results and more pain. Always cleanse and gently exfoliate the area 24 hours before waxing. Right before waxing, dust the area lightly with baby powder to absorb excess oil. This helps the wax stick to hair, not your skin. Mistake number 2, waxing over sunburn, rashes, or breakouts. This can cause severe irritation, broken skin, and even infection. Always check the area before you wax. If your skin is red, peeling, or inflamed, wait until it heals. Healthy skin equals safe waxing. Mistake number 3, using the wrong wax for the job. Soft wax pulls both hair and skin, not ideal for sensitive areas. Hard wax is better for underarms, face, and bikini areas. Use soft wax only on larger, less sensitive areas like arms and legs. Choose the right wax, your skin will thank you. Mistake number 4, pulling the strip the wrong way. If you yank upward, you increase the chance of bruising and irritation. Always pull the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth, and close to the skin. Quick, firm, and flat, never upward. Mistake number 5, skipping aftercare. Waxing removes not just hair, but your skin's top protective layer. Apply aloe vera or a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer after waxing. Avoid hot showers, workouts, and tight clothes for at least 24 hours. Let your skin recover and breathe. Bonus tip, wax in the evening, not before a busy day or big event. Your skin needs time to calm down. Redness and swelling usually fade overnight. Wake up with smoother, calmer skin. Quick recap. Prep your skin, avoid damaged areas, choose the right wax, pull correctly, and follow aftercare. These simple steps protect your skin and improve your results. Waxing doesn't have to be painful, it just has to be smart. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and hit subscribe. We drop weekly videos to help you feel confident in your skin.